we're done at PAPERCON. I'll be doing a stationery haul later. Iwan muna namin siya sa car, pero kakain kami. Tapos, kaya lang. Kabila natin siya. Okay, so as promised, I'm gonna show you the things that I got from PAPERCON. Let's start with iloveBDJ. Sa kanila ako bumibili ng inserts, paper inserts, and I really love their shop. So, sila yung first stop na pintahan namin for PAPERCON. And guys, nag-hoard ako ng paper inserts. Dotted inserts siya. Everything, alam ko dotted inserts lahat ng binili ko. Yeah, lahat dotted inserts. I got 4 dotted inserts. I think they were selling this there for 80 pesos. So yun. I hoarded as much as I can. Tapos, I also got this pen holder thingy. Ang ganda niya. Metallic gold siya. Oh. Metallic yung ano niya. Tapos may leather. I think this will look good with my new journal for 2020. So, you'll be seeing a lot of this one. I think I'll try to link all the shops that I got something out of, or lahat ng shops na nabilhan ko. Pag nahanap ko kung lahat, yung name ng lahat ng shops. Kasi, stupidly, hindi ko nakuha lahat ng cards nila. Tas, hindi lahat may nakasulat kung saan, anong store siya. Like this one, which is sobrang fave ko pa naman. Meron siyang 2 stamp. I got 2 stamps from their shop and a sticker pack. Sobrang ganda. Oh, mga vintage stickers siya. Vintage design na stickers. Wala nga lang. Ay, ayun. Ayun pala yung name nila. Put it in paper. At put it in paper from Instagram. Yun yung Instagram label nila. And I got these 2 stamps. I'm so excited to use them. Tapos, cute nila. Next is from Washi Samples. Washi Samples to. Ito. Washi Samples. Isang set siya ng mga more on for journaling siya. Yan. Tapos may mga book pages, which is sobrang excited na ako gamitin ito. Okay na. Tapos, ito yung isa pang postcard na nabili ko from Craft Central, which is sobrang cute niya. May little jeepney siya dyan. Tapos, ito, gusto ko ma-experience yan once in my lifetime. Makaupo sa taas ng jeep. Tsaka makasabit sa jeep. Sobrang gusto ko ma-experience yun. IFEX pop-up shop. Ewan ko if that's the name of their store. Pero I just got this set of matte finish, A4 matte finish. Tapos, medyo may pagka grade yung color niya. Sobrang, hindi siya kita masyado sa camera. Pero ang ganda niya. I think I will be able to use this a lot for pang flat lay. Basta pang punit-punit sa mga scrapbooks ko, sa mga journals ko. Feeling ko maganda din siya. Tapos may pa-freebie sila na high gloss inkjet paper. Ito yung kay mama, binigay niya sa akin. Sobrang excited ako mag-print out ng photos from here, pero hindi ko alam paano. Kasi wala akong 4R na printer. Hindi ko alam. Basta ito, gusto ko siyang i-try. Mga paper, So excited na ako to use this one. And second to the last na to, guys. Wala na ako masyadong nabili. Medyo mahal na lahat. From Deco Art na tayo. Which as I said before, isa sila mga favorite ko. Ito, bumili ako sa kanila ng 2 washi tapes. Kasi, siya, hindi siya nagpo-focus. Ayan, ayun niya mag-focus. Basta siya. Ayun niya talaga, guys. Sorry. Para siyang grid type na red and medyo pop-up na pink yung isa. Yun. Kasi wala akong masyadong I don't have a lot of yung plain designs lang na washi tape. So, yeah, I got this one for I think 55 pesos. Eto, I got this for 25 pesos lang. Tapos, parang siyang picture frame. Next, I also got this. Parang siyang, I think they're stickers. Pero, parang paper stamps ata. I think I got this for 30 pesos. Paper lang siya. Ayan. Parang siyang mga plain ticket. And last, Abbey Sy books. One is the ABC of journaling. Syempre, gotta learn how to journal from Abbey Sy. The one and only. Sobrang ganda na. Inside, yeah. Inside, meron ding sticker sheet. Yeah, I'm really excited to go through this book and learn from Abbey Sy. Meron din the other book that I got, which is the ABC hand lettering. Ang ganda, sobrang weighted na itong book na tingnan niyo. May mga font designs pa siya.